Rose flowers. Rose is the king of flowers. Rose flowers is famous all over the world for its beauty. Rose Day is celebrated on 12th February every year. Rose is the symbol of love and beauty. The rose plants are found all over the world. They also comes in different colors such as red, pink, white, yellow, etc. Red rose is the most popular among them. A rose flower has many layers of petals. The petals of rose are soft. Roses are used for making rose water and perfumes because of its beautiful fragrance. Rose also used in making bouquet and decorating, etc. A garden without a rose plant always feels incomplete. Please like and subscribe.